Sean Lover, and I'm with Sean Moses Investment Group. Today I want to speak to you about all of the investments that I'm doing. I'm not an investment analyst. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who invests their money in different things, businesses, to grow my wealth. So you can just take this as a suggestion. Do your research and your due diligence. First thing I want to tell you about is one of my investments is fundrise.com. It's an investment REIT. I started investing with them because I was new and I knew I wanted to get into real estate, but I wasn't sure what to do in real estate. So fundrise.com, they want you to invest for 5 years. If you don't invest for 5 years, they will give you a penalty for taking your money out early, and it takes 30 days to get your money back. Also, if the economy is not doing bad, they cannot give you your money back. It's in a clause. So all I did was I invested some money. I just put the money in and I forgot about it. It's money that I had that was extra that I didn't need to pay bills, anything. So I invested a little bit, and then a year later they said they have an IPO. So I wanted to invest a couple $100s in the IPO just because. And then I found out I had to match what I actually put in the first time. So I bought IPO, and then I just left it in there. I'm forgetting about it. Since I've been in there for a year and a half, 2 years, I've never seen a loss. It's always gain. They buy properties all over America. Second thing I did was Cardone Capital. He's based out of Florida. He buys apartment building complexes, maybe for like $100 million, $130 million. He puts his money in, and then you can invest with him. So far, that has, I think he's paying out maybe 4% or 5% every month. Every time rent is paid, he sends all the investors their money transferred straight to your bank account. So I'm just building my cash flow. I want a lot of money coming in from different places, no matter where it's from. If I'm investing with it, I just want the money coming in. I don't believe in accumulation of money. I believe in cash flow. Next thing I'm invested in is a few stocks. Stocks can be very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. You want to make sure that you're in companies that you actually believe in. So everybody who knows me, I love cars. So Tesla is my number one. Next thing I'm investing in stock is NIO. It's a Chinese electric vehicle company. I like their sports car they had. Can't think of the name right now, but they're doing pretty good. They're backed by the Chinese government, so I put a little bit of money into that. The next one is Workhorse. They do delivery vehicles. I think they're doing like UPS, FedEx, and they're working on a post office contract. So I put a little money into that. I think this next company is OMVO. They do 3D printed organ tissues. So I invested some in that, and I invested Apple also. Apple is my second highest investment that I do. All right, the next thing is family banking. If you want to produce wealth, you want to use family banking. You want to use a mutual company. Mutual company means you're part owner. You don't want to use a non-mutual company. So they pay like 4% compound interest. They have dividend payments. Dividend payments come because it's a mutual company. You're the owner. When you build your whole life insurance policy, your cash value policy, and you take out loans, you pay 5% interest to the bank. Don't think of that as a negative, or you can go pay. You might as well go get a loan from a bank. That 5% interest is helping them pay you a dividend. Make sure you have it's a whole life insurance. When they build your policy, you want to make sure you have the right person building your policy. There's some certain things they have to add on there. I'm not gonna go through it right now. If you'd like more information, I will make a video on just this topic. The family banking is just become your own bank, so you can borrow from yourself. And yes, it's gonna take a few years to build up to become your own bank, to borrow from your own self. But becoming rich is not fast. It's a time game. It's not quick. So if you want to read a book about that, the person who came up with this method is R. Nelson Nash. And the agent that I use with Penn Mutual is Barry Brooksby. I'll put that in the comment section. All right, so I'll see you all on the next video. If you want me to explain any of these investments, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.